Hey guys, today we'll learn how to use Google AI Veo 3 and the important mistakes you should avoid before spending hours creating AI videos. So let's get started. Google AI Veo 3 is one of the most advanced AI video generation tools that can transform simple text descriptions into realistic, high-quality videos. With Veo 3, we can create cinematic scenes, realistic characters, natural movements, detailed environments, and even generate audio like background sounds, conversations, and realistic effects. To start using Veo 3, we first need access through Google's supported AI platforms. After opening the Veo 3 video generation tool, we can enter our idea inside the prompt box. This prompt tells the AI what type of video we want to create. Now, one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is writing very simple prompts. A short prompt usually gives basic and less accurate results. Instead, we should provide detailed instructions. For example, instead of writing "a person walking in a city," we can create a better prompt like "a cinematic shot of a businessman walking through a futuristic city at night, wearing a professional suit with neon lights reflecting on wet streets, slow camera movement, realistic lighting, and a dramatic atmosphere." The more details we provide about the subject, environment, camera style, and mood, the better results Veo 3 can generate. Another common mistake is expecting the perfect video in the first attempt. AI video generation is a creative process. Sometimes the result may not match our idea exactly, so we need to improve the prompt and generate another version. We should also avoid adding too many ideas into a single prompt. If we include multiple characters, different locations, complex actions, and many camera movements at the same time, the AI may struggle to understand the main concept. It is better to start with one clear scene and improve it step by step. One of the most impressive features of Veo 3 is its ability to generate synchronized audio. We can describe specific sounds such as rain, footsteps, traffic noise, or character dialogue to make the final video feel more realistic and professional. For YouTube creators, filmmakers, marketers, and content creators, Veo 3 can save a lot of time by helping create professional-looking videos without expensive equipment. However, the quality of the output depends heavily on how well we write our prompts. So before creating videos with Google AI Veo 3, focus on learning prompt writing, testing different ideas, and improving your descriptions. With the right approach, you can create amazing AI videos faster and avoid wasting time on poor results. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.